Inside this bag right here is my favorite travel gun. Some people might call it a truck gun. Some people might call it a trunk gun. But whatever you want to call it, this right here, I'm going to show it to you. I'm in a hotel room right now. I'm traveling. Now, I would not call this a hotel room gun because you have to worry about over penetration, especially when you're in a hotel room with thin walls. But I'm going to show it to you. By the way, my name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CIA officer, and I've always got a gun on me. So right here, I'm going to show you my travel gun. Of course, when I'm in a hotel room like this, depending on what I am. If I'm with my wife and 7 kids, I am not having a gun. So let me just talk about that. I just said I love guns, I always carry guns, but I've got 7 kids, they're little, and when we're in a hotel room, we got mattresses, meaning blow mattresses, we're packed. Popping off rounds in that environment is not a good idea. I use a knife. But when I'm by myself, and I travel a lot by myself, yes, I'm having a gun. I'll have a gun just on the nightstand. It'll often be my Sig Sauer P365. And then, of course, I always bring my travel gun in with me, which is in this bad boy right here. So let's pull it out. It is a well, it's not collapsible. It's completely taken apart, but it's a small gun. It fits right here in the bag. It is an AR pistol. Let me take it out so I can show you the two different pieces. Here you go. Let me get my bag out of the way. You can take out the sling if you want. I like to leave the sling on, but it can get tangled. And yes, this is a custom gun. It is an AR pistol 223. I had made specifically for me. I love this bad boy. So now we got to line this up. We got to put the gun together. Not super complicated. All right, there you go. It's on. And then of course I have these attachments right here so I can make sure that it is on super, super tight. And there you go. My AR travel gun is ready to rock and roll. Of course, I've got sights. You can put a red dot or whatever optic you want on here. Like I said, I got my sling and I love it. This is awesome. This is a great gun. This is why I had it custom made for me. And then I just throw it in this backpack. This bag, this is a company called 3V Gear, 3vgear.com. I like their bags. I own a lot of them and it doesn't weigh a lot. It doesn't draw a lot of attention. So sometimes I'll leave my gun in my vehicle for extended periods. It depends on where I am and what I'm doing. But a lot of times, like when I'm in a hotel right now, I will just take this out of my vehicle, bring it up just to have it. Now, no, here in this area where I'm at right now traveling, I don't expect to have to use this, but why not? It's an awesome backpack gun. So the moral of the story is have a backpack, travel, trunk, whatever the heck you want to call it, gun. There's so many awesome collapsible guns out there. Other ones that are good, of course, there's the Ruger 1022. They have the takedown, but then you've got a 1022. They have the Henry AR7. Again, it's a 22. I'm trying to think what other awesome guns. The Kel-Tec Sub 2000, great pistol caliber. I own one of them, and you can get them to fit the Glock magazines and other magazines. So good collapsible gun, Kel-Tec Sub 2000, or you can just have one custom made for you like this. But either way, have some kind of backpack gun because you should always have a rifle not too far from you. I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. God bless you and travel safe.